So guys, here's a small review video that I'm going to make today. It is about the Amazon Basics braided, a nylon braided USB-C to lightning cable wire, and this wire has been purchased from Amazon, and it costed me around 999 rupees. The MRP is 1900 bucks, but as a Prime user got 50 rupees discount, so 950 is the amount that I've paid for this. So basically I got my fast charging adapter as well as the wire with the iPad Pro, but my iPhone 11 also supports fast charging. I never had a dock. It cost 2500 bucks and the wire separately, so 5000 rupees ka sirf ye aata hai. Now I have the dock but not the wire, so I got one wire, and this does the same job because it is Mfi made for iPhone. So let's unbox this. So I ordered a 6 feet long wire. I don't know why I did this, because I have a OnePlus wire also, which is pretty long, and that kind of comes really handy if you have a long wire. Oh wow, it looks nice. So I chose the silver color, and it actually looks gorgeous. And here's the wire, guys. Whoa, this looks super solid. My goodness, Amazon Basic rocks. Having a lot of sweat. Why? Look at the quality, man. This is nice. So this is the end that goes in the Apple, and this is the one that goes in the charger. Let me first check it out if it's going at all. Okay, here's the end. Zoop! It works. So this one is for the app, and it's pretty long, 6 feet. Super cool. 6 feet, man. So the quality that comes out of the box is absolutely, I would say, commendable. Very well knitted. It's some hardy stuff, man. And you see this neck? This is the neck which actually goes for a toss. This is where it breaks. A lot of care has been taken to design it very neatly. Some Amazon Basic branding here. Yeah, now it's time to check if it's actually capable of charging. First I'll charge my iPhone 6. It works. At least it's working. That's the best part. Working. Now it's time for iPhone 11. So here we have the iPhone 11, and let's see it's gonna charge or not. Hey, oh yes, it's charging. It's 10%. And how fast is it going to turn 11? Here it is, guys. It's 11, and it's pretty fast. Not even a minute it turned to the next percentage. Yep, it's working. Here it is, guys. That was unboxing, and this is also the review. You see, the proper review comes when I'm going to use this for a while, but as of now, this is actually a much sturdy and a stronger cable. This is the iPhone original cable, guys. It's lean, and this is the one braided. This cost 2500 and this just cost 1000 bucks. It is double the size. Go for this one. I loved it. Why I'm saying this? Because I've been using Amazon Basics wire for a good amount of time. This is the one that I use for the iPhone 6 and 11 currently. It is still working. It is more than a year old. Paisa vasool. Should go for this one. That is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Quick, short video. Peace.